and welcome to the Foodie. Today we are going to make healthy, low-fat dahi chicken. This is one dish today that we're going to make when आप सोचते हैं कि आज मेरे फैट का कोटा हो गया है लेकिन मुझे फिर भी थोड़ा सा प्रोटीन चाहिए, कार्ब्स भी हो गया है, तो ये आप बना सकते हैं because this is one recipe that uses absolutely no oil at all. So are you ready to cook something that's really easy, simple, delicious and healthy? Let's get started. Now the first thing is to add some of our chicken to this. So I've kept some chicken washed and ready over here, which we'll add to this pot. Ab isi pot mein we're going to do everything, the marination and the cooking. And now some dahi. So we're going to add the masalas to this. अब गरम मसाला हम आधा ऐड करेंगे, थोड़ा शुरू में, थोड़ा लास्ट में. लास्ट में डालने से उसका अरोमा रह जाता है. अब हम दो तरह का चिली इसमें ऐड करेंगे. One is the Deggi Mirch for the color and the second is लाल मिर्च powder for the color and the spice. And then ginger garlic paste. इसमें I think the spice level could do with a little extra zing because of all the dahi in there. इसलिए I've added some pounded green chilli paste here. And one thing I always forget, but which you shouldn't, is salt. उसका रोल बहुत important है and you really shouldn't forget it for anything. अब डालेंगे इसमें हम थोड़ा धनिया पाउडर and then some हल्दी. हल्दी से अच्छा रंग भी आता है. कसूरी मेथी अभी बहुत हल्का है और ये बहुत जल्दी पानी absorb कर लेगा. So here is our masala तैयार. अब we need to get quick and dirty about it. Get our hands inside and mix the whole lot well. Roll up your sleeves a little bit, huh? इसमें हल्दी है and you don't want to get those nice dresses covered with masalas. And it's all mixed. Now all we have to do is cover it for a while और इसको हम 30 मिनट के लिए मैरिनेट करेंगे. 1 घंटा रखेंगे तो अच्छी बात है, but 30 minutes is also all right. We've kept it marinated for about half an hour and you can keep it longer if you like. But now it's time to light a fire. That's all. Seriously, that is the entire cooking process. इस पैन में हमने इसको मैरिनेट किया और इसी में हम इसको पकाएंगे. Now as you can see, it's come to a beautiful boil. So what I'm going to do now is stir it a little bit and bring it down to a simmer. So one way of telling that it's cooked is that अगर आपके पास ड्रमस्टिक है इसके अंदर, जो ये वाला हिस्सा है ना, ये अभी देखिए बिल्कुल कनेक्टेड है यहाँ से सारा. It's one continuous stretch. थोड़ी देर बाद ये जो मीट का हिस्सा है, it will dissolve and it will become much thinner. कभी-कभी तो ये डिस्कनेक्ट ही हो जाएगा और आपको हड्डी दिखने लग जाएगी. That point you know कि कुक हो गया है. It's been 15-20 minutes now, so shall we see if it's cooked yet? Smells really nice. And as you can see, ये वाला हिस्सा जो पहले बिल्कुल perfect curve में आ रहा था यहाँ से यहाँ तक, now it is detached. Some of you might like to cook it less, some of you might like to cook it more, but this is definitely cooked. अब इसमें केवल 3 चीजें और ऐड करनी है. We just have to add some beans. इनको मैंने boiling water में 2 मिनट पकाया है and just pull them out. They have crunch and they have bright green color. And after this, we will add some coriander. और अब हमारा बाकी का जो गरम मसाला हमने सेव करा हुआ था, we'll put the lot over here. It will enhance the aroma of the broth. Mix the beans and the garam masala inside. So there you go. Our zero fat, low carb dahi chicken with 100% flavor is ready. And as you can see, it looks gorgeous. It's full of flavor and it is thickened a little bit too. इसलिए अगर आप चाहें, you can have it with a little bit of roti as well. You don't have to have it on its own. So enjoy.